Hi, I'm Liz from Caravan Insurance. In this video we're going to answer the simple question, do I need towing mirrors for my caravan? I'm joined by Frank, an instructor from Towing Solutions, and we're going to go through a demonstration to see why towing mirrors are so important on the road.
Good morning, I'm Frank. I work with Towing Solutions who deliver training for the trailer towing industry and caravans. Recently retired last year from Cheshire Police, where for the bulk of my service I worked in the roads policing arena as an advanced driver and advanced motorcyclist. Do I need towing mirrors when towing a caravan? Simple answer is yes. If your caravan is wider than the tow vehicle, it restricts the view on the driver's and passenger side's car mirrors, so you can't see through the caravan, you can't see through the trailer. So your towing mirrors extend the view from the driver's position to the rear of the caravan and to the side of it. The law for towing mirrors, in the simplest of terms, you've got to be able to see a position 20 metres to the rear of the caravan or the trailer and 4 metres outside of it. So it covers that sort of triangular area that your car mirrors can't see, but the extended mirrors, the wider mirrors of the caravan towing mirrors, can see into. What should you be able to see in the towing mirror? Rather than me explain it to you, let me show, using the towing vehicle, the training vehicle and the caravan, practical demonstration of how you would set your mirrors up and what you're checking for. Okay, Liz, you asked me earlier about towing mirrors and whether we need them or not whilst towing. What we set up here using the training vehicle and the caravan, I've paced out 20 metres from the mirror to the rear of the caravan and 4 metres out from the line of the caravan. Hopefully you can see 2 cones and a red BMW car. The cone with the jacket on, so it's got the white sleeve over it, is 20 metres to the rear and 4 metres out. The BMW is clearly in view, and that's simulating a sort of lane 2 position on a dual carriageway or a motorway. To the left hand side of it is a cone that's just got no jacket, it's just a bare red cone. If I was to sit in the driver's seat, that cone's indicating the maximum I can see to the end of the car. So it's my field of view between the red cone and anything to the right, including that BMW. Okay, so you might not think we need extending towing mirrors to assist the car. The driver's position with the caravan straight, adjust the mirror, and as you put the mirrors on, it extends the view. What it's doing now is giving us a view into the blind spot that the car mirror cannot see. Looking back towards the rear of the car, where the red BMW we saw earlier is, we now see the cone without the jacket and also a third cone right on the corner of the indicating BMW. That blind spot we need to check out. With just the car mirror, we cannot see it. With the extending mirrors, it comes into play, and you can build that into your driving plan, whether you're going to change manoeuvres, overtaking, changing lanes or whatever. So that's what the law says, 20 metres back and 4 metres out. What we're trying to set up here is a real world sort of application of it. The car isn't static. The car's going, say, 40, 50 mile an hour down a dual carriageway or a motorway. You're considering changing lanes. You look in your car mirror, well in the distance, you can see the red BMW that's well further on than 20 metres, probably double it. Red BMW's in play, you can see it, you consider your manoeuvre, plenty of time. His approach speed's good, your speed's fine, you can change lanes. You mirror, you indicate, you move out. That's without the towing mirror. With the extending mirror, you gain the earlier view of the BMW that's been creeping up in lane 1 behind you. He's decided he can get out in front of the red BMW. He's done his mirror check, he's done his indicate, and he moves out at the same point you're going with him. Without the extending mirror, you can't see him. With the mirror, you probably won't even move. He finishes his overtake and it's totally safe. The extending mirror covers that blind spot area that your car mirror cannot see into, and it's crucial you do see into that area before you consider your manoeuvre. Okay, hopefully this demonstration shows how vital the extending towing mirror is for the use on the road. Without that covering the blind spot, your safety is at risk. Another road user's safety is at risk, the BMW, the other BMW. But take the cars out of the equation, it could be a motorcyclist that's doing nothing wrong. He's just maintaining his own speed limit of 70 in a dual carriageway when you're sat comfortably at 45 or 50 or 60. By changing lanes, the effect on the bike, frightening reoccurrence.
So there you have it. So that goes to show how vitally important towing mirrors are for all caravanners, for everybody's safety on the road. For more information about towing mirrors, why not head on over to the Caravan Guard website, where you can find a gear guide all about towing mirrors and the different types of towing mirrors available for your tow car. Thanks for watching.